Hi. So, a lot of times we send important information to our users and customers on email, but many times they miss these emails or just never open them. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to send reminders and notifications about these emails on WhatsApp? In this example, we'll see how you can do just that using the WhatsApp automation tool and the WhatsApp Business API. For this particular use case, you will have to use a pre approved template. You can visit your WhatsApp Business API provider's dashboard and submit your template for approval. Templates usually get approved within a day or two. Once you have your template approved, you can save it on the WhatsApp automation tool dashboard in the settings section like so. Let's say, for example, a user visits your website and registers or signs up to use your app, and you want them to complete a KYC process. So for this example, this is the template that we've gotten approved. This is to remind you that your KYC is pending. Please follow the link to get started. So I will give this a name and I will select the number of parameters. As you can see, the template has two parameters. So I will select two and then save it. Now to create the series of emails and WhatsApp messages, head over to the workflow section in your HubSpot account. You can replace your email sequences with this workflow, and this is how you can do that. Now within enrollment triggers, let's select the contact property registered date as the starting point of this workflow, and let's set it to be known. This means whenever someone registers on your website, this workflow will get triggered. So the minute someone registers, we want to send them an email for the KYC process. So let's say KYC mail to. Now after say a delay of 2 days, if they haven't opened this email, we want to send them a reminder on WhatsApp. So now to do that, we'll add an if and then branch and say marketing email KYC mail to was received, but contact did not open it. So now, after a delay of 2 days, if they still haven't opened this email, we want to send them a WhatsApp message reminding them about the KYC process. So now here, if it is yes, which means this is true, we can add the action to send WhatsApp message. Within actions, you get the additional option to send WhatsApp message. Now here from the templates drop down, we can select the template or the reminder and then select the personalization tokens. So first name and the link where they can go and start with their KYC process. So in all, we have created a sequence or a workflow where someone registers, they receive a mail, and after a certain time delay, if they have received the mail but they haven't opened it, they get a WhatsApp message as a reminder for the same. Now for demonstration purpose, I will reduce this time delay to just 1 minute instead of 2 days. And I've set the registered date to today. So the minute I turn on the workflow, this entire workflow will get triggered. So let's test the workflow and see how it works live. So as you can see, I've already received the mail, and after a minute I should be receiving the WhatsApp message as well. So as you can see, I had not opened this email, and now after a minute I have received the notification on WhatsApp. I can, along with the link, so I can follow the link and now get started with the KYC process. So this is how you can use the WhatsApp automation tool to send a series of emails and WhatsApp messages to your customers. To explore the capabilities of the tool and to explore more use cases, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.